Then install by the same way to install the color ink print head. Be sure all the screw is fastened well. 卡都紧了吗 Check all the screw is fastened well. Then after we put the print head on the cartridge, then we start to install print head cable. Then we start to install print head cable on the machine. And from the top we can see there are 4 connection ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from the print head we can find out this port from the cartridge board is J6. We can see here is J6. This cable is remarked by 1, and same as this cable number 1. And this port must be connected by the white ink, the first print head. And we install by this. This is marked by 2 left, means this by this position. 2 ports here. Must be connected well without scratch or bend. So on this cable, connect by this port. And this cable we marked by number 1 right. We can see here R means right.